Here we are, guys. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in, and it is great to see you guys yet again on this fine Sunday. Hello there, JJ. What is up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hey, what's up, Weasley? And I'm glad you guys have tuned in. I've got some time this afternoon and evening for some server developments. I want to make some progress on our own vanilla server project that we started, and I think it's gonna be nice. I've sort of looked into a couple of things behind the scenes, figure out how we can do changes and stuff, and I think it's looking promising. Hi everyone, good to see you guys, man. Kiaman, Plebum, Sinky Midsummer Mook, and Tazak. Welcome back, you guys. And I hope you're ready for some more developments. I heard that Cronus is still struggling with the latency issue. The lag hasn't been fixed yet, and apparently it's some networking hardware problem. We'll see about that. So I still haven't touched my my shaman on Cronus 2, but maybe I'll get to that someday. Maybe it is Monday or Saturday for other people. You don't know. That's actually true. You're right, JJ. I don't know. But I think we should get started, guys. Hope you've had a nice weekend so far, and well, let's see if we can make it even nicer today. What am I having on my screen here? On the switch over there, and let's get to it. Oh, maybe I should show you guys the current progress. Maybe I will set up testing during the stream today. I'm not quite sure. Otherwise, I might do it off stream before the next one. But the server is still not up for testing. Only me that's running on it so far. And I've written down some things. Could be interesting. What's our current progress? We got still lots of things to do to make this server run as we want it to. We're gonna write some more scripts today for the database, and I also looked into the actual server code with this Mangus build here, C Mangus, trying to figure out where to configure settings and where to make changes, if I'm gonna make changes or when I'm gonna make changes. And I found some interesting places where we can start editing. For instance, and I think I'll test this today, I found a place where I think the max level is defined. I'm not sure, but I think this is basically the server's maximum level within game. I'm not sure what's gonna happen if I change this to 20, but if all goes well, we could just change it here and people won't be able to go above 20. But yeah, we'll have to try that out. I also found out where most of the configurations hide for your server, which is in this file over here, World C++. And there is some interesting things in here. Basically, a lot of settings are here, such as your starting level, which is 1, your starting gold, which is 0, so you can just set the amount you want players to start with here, the max level, how many characters you can have on an account, how many characters you can have on a realm, which is a bit weird. Basically, this means I could limit characters to, say, like 1 person or 1 character per realm, which is gonna be strange. First heard about me today, you watch my entire recorded live stream on my mage. Nice to meet you. Read everyone here. Oh, cool, Thingfield, man. I'm so glad you tuned in for the live stream as well. And I'm glad you checked out the Nostoria's mage leveling. But so currently, Thingfield, I'm working on my own vanilla private server because there was some downtime on my past server, which is Cronus, or Cronus 2 to be specific. I appreciate the follow there as well. But I'm very new to this, so I'm first looking into how I can just configure and change stuff without actually writing things from scratch. I also found cross-faction settings, you guys. Maybe is my music working here? Is it showing the actual soundtrack? It is actually showing. Yeah, let's put the music there then. Let's see that. Okay. So yeah, as I was saying, I found cross-faction settings, which are right here. Allow two-side. This is basically where I can switch on and off if I want to allow players to create characters from both factions, if I want to allow cross-faction chatting, channels, cross-faction groups, cross-faction trades, all that sort of stuff. And this could come in handy because I'm not sure how many players are going to be on this server. It might be small compared to the other big servers, so maybe some of these cross-faction features will come in handy at some point. What else is there? How frequently players are saved, which is every 15 minutes right now. And I'm not sure, I think it saves more frequently if you're moving. This might be relevant if we have a lot of crashes, then there might be a rollback to the previous saved state. But I'm not sure. I haven't tried changing any of this, and I think today is gonna be the first time. But there's also all the different rates in game, which you can change right here. It's very easy actually. Had no idea that the configs were this easy. Can I change undeads to being alliance? I'm not sure, Kuzi. Yeah, I believe it's possible, but that might require more modifications than normally, because I think classes are defined in these files here. Although I might be wrong. Basically, there's this file here called something with classes, and I think you have to modify that file. Hey, what's up, Fisher? Welcome back. It's going really well, I think. Haven't had that much time to stream during the weekend here, but we are live now, and let's make some progress on the mill server. I hope you're doing good as well. But it should be possible, Kuzi. I've heard about people making custom classes, custom races as well. So you can do most things if you're willing to work enough on it. I actually have a list that tells me what's in these, which is where did I hide that one? Here. Let's go up to classes. They're up here. Character classes. Class name. Oh, you're talking about races though, so let's go to races instead. Oh, here we go. Here is the character races table containing the available races and stuff. So the models for males, females, speed, language, faction. This is where we want to modify things. It's reference to the faction template to which the race belongs. So basically, I guess we could go in here and switch the faction for undeads to alliance. You always hate being horde, but you love undead, racial and PvP. Yeah, who doesn't? It's great. It is great. Name of the race. Let's try and open this up because I've got spells here. Let's try and open. Char races open. Table. Human orc. Goblins! Wait, what? There's a goblin race, guys. And there's a scourge race as well. Built into the game. They're not playable though, but they're here. Wait, that's undead though. Scourge Not sure what this is. Oh, that's probably... I don't know. Undead is listed as Scourge. But here's Undead. And I think what we need to change is... Where did we find it? Factions there. Third one. They're all got different numbers in faction though. Strange. Guess it's not there then. Scourge, Torrent, Trolls. Oh, it might be number 8. No, that's the speed mod. But yeah, we would have to go in and modify this one here. Gnomes for the hordes. Yeah, you can do some. I guess you can also do like a neutral WoW thing, where every race is part of the same faction in some way. What's 7 here? 7 is client prefix? No, I think there's something wrong with the numbers here. They don't really match, do they? Because 8 says speed, 9 says language. I think it's shifted. I don't think it's oh, that's because I have to take it one below here because it starts at 0. So number 2 is actually the faction. Yeah, not quite sure, but it could be done. I would have to know more about it. But let's get back here because I wanna start making some progress there. Changing gnomes to horde would bring chaos in Dunrock between dwarves and gnomes. That would be pretty interesting, wouldn't it? Commands. I changed the spirits command actually. QMN. Because I made it into a sort of a leveling thing, which means now you can check your level instead, and you gain experience by when watching the stream. Now you can see who's highest level. I actually planned to use it while leveling on Cronus, but then Cronus went down. Okay. Last time we were working on scaling items down. We figured out that armor scale is a bit weird. And we were scaling things a bit too aggressively, basically like this. Okay, let's go here. Scaling using by eye level makes higher level weapons too weak, and the difference is simply too small. So I gotta write a lot of things down to remember everything and to figure out where we are and what needs to be done here. Like the sound of the server, what you're working on, but you haven't played on a private server before. Okay, I'm glad you like it. Don't despair though, it's pretty easy to get started if you're interested in trying out these kind of servers. I'm still ahead of you, Midsummer? Oh damn, I'm not being counted on. Oh yeah, on hours there. I see. I'm not sure if mine is accurate, but I'm pretty much always in the chat, of course, while streaming. Hey Crystal. The fun server I was running should be up, but this server is only local so far. But welcome in here, Crystal. item scaling. Yeah, we need a new formula for item scaling, but I might park this one for now because I figured out some other things that are pretty fast to do, such as armor proficiency is here. I had a problem last time with the item scaling, meaning that some classes get a higher armor proficiency at level 40. So your paladins and warriors get plate, hunter, shaman gets mail armor, which means if I give that to level 20 characters, you can just get to level 20 by mail on your hunter, and then right away start using mail armor. And that's not the intention, because normally you can only use it from level 40 and onwards. So what I figured I would do, and I think we'll do that right now, yeah, is I figured I would basically say that every item, every piece of gear that, or armor, that is mail or plate and above level 40 gets a class specific tag on, which means that mail armor that is how can I do this? Yeah, so mail armor that is required level 40 or above gets tagged as available for... No, how was it? No, wait, I need to rethink this. Yeah, it always says servers down, you guys. So it should be on the fun server. Don't mind the offline thing. It always, if the website is running, then the server is running too. But I haven't tried it in a while, so maybe I should test it. Let's go ahead and test. I could also just try and log in actually. And then I will figure out the armor scaling thing. Hey, what's up, Bloodbath? Welcome to the stream. As today is more server developments. Welcome back. Did I have WoW open somewhere, or at least the realm list? No. Okay. But you should be able to connect. With that realm list. I'll give it a try too. There's nothing particular on the fun server though, so I don't work on that one at all. It's just purely for testing out how you run a server. But it is running, guys. The Spirit PvP. There it is. There it is. Just close this down again. Okay. But it always says offline in the player stats. Don't mind that. Let's get back here. So yes. The armor problem here. I think the only thing I needed to do was preventing shamans and hunters from using any mail gear that is originally between level 20 or between level 1 and level 40. So all mail armor between 1 and 40 is gonna get a class requirement of warriors, paladins, because normally only warriors and paladins could use that armor up to level 40, and then from level 40 it is basically free for all. Then you can put on anything that you normally. You keep getting disconnected? Server is running though, and you are welcome to go and try and do some raids on it, you guys, while I work on the new server. It is gonna look a bit funny with the gear. Sounds a crappy way to do it. That means any change, entire item database needs updating. What do you mean any change? And the item database needs updating. You mean any change to any of the items? If I update an item or something? It's so far it's been the best, or the only way I could figure out to limit some classes from using gear that they're not normally meant to use, because you have the proficiency available at 20. Hey Ness, nope, currently not fixing bugs, just configuring the database mostly at the moment. Scaling down items. If you decide a hunter wants to use mail at 15, you need to edit every item level 15 to 20 and add hunter. Yes, but that's a very fast change though. So it's not a big problem. It's like, it's one script, basically. And so far it's been the only way I could figure out to make sure that you can only use the gear that you normally use when leveling from 1 to 60. There's no way to update the hunter class to have a level limitation on male type items instead. Not that I could figure out. Because there's a level requirement, so you can't get the proficiency until 40. That solves the problem. But if you give the proficiency at 20, then there's nothing preventing a hunter from grabbing a level 20 male that's normally meant for, say, warriors, and just put that on. Sequel is slow? No, I wouldn't say that. Only takes a couple of milliseconds to run a quarry. Tanji. At least the ones I've been running, because they're not very heavy or anything. But it is going to look different in-game, because you'll see class requirements on gear that you normally don't see. But that would fix the problem. Basically hardwiring male to warriors and paladins at first. But sure, if you have some good suggestions to how we can get around some of these problems, do let me know. But let's write some of these scripts here. And thank you for the follow there, man. I missed you there. Bimber with the follow. Thank you very much, man. And Witless as well. Welcome, you guys. Hunter would say cloth, leather, 20, male, 40, plate, no use. Yeah, but the level cap is 20, Fleabum, so there's no way of knowing when you can start using male as a hunter other than your level. As soon as you have the spell, you can start using it. So the problem is, if I don't have a level 60 level cap or level 40 cap, how do I know that a hunter should be able to start using male armor? Hey, you die first. Welcome back. So you need superpowers, Sinky? Nah, I'm not sure it's a good idea to give out superpowers on the fun realm. But it's pretty easy to revert back changes, so we'll go ahead and try and work on armor efficiencies, and we'll see if we like this solution we come up with. Yes, yeah, that's what we're gonna do, Fleabomb. Change male down to level 20. But that creates the problem of hunters being able to use gear that they normally wouldn't be able to use, like level 20 warrior male, which they shouldn't be able to use that kind of items until they hit level 40. So to make sure, it's basically to make sure that you can't use items you normally wouldn't, and it could work just hard coding them to the classes that would normally use them. Let's go ahead and try that. So first we need to make a script that dumps the level requirement of plate and mail down to 20. That's two simple scripts here. I found the NPC trainer table here has all the trainers in game, I think, and all the spells they train, the level requirements, the price for the train to train. So that's what we're gonna update here. We're gonna update the Magus NPC trainer table. Let's go here. And change the requirement. No items have all items above level 20 is reduced to a level 20 requirement, so you can use all the different gear that you would normally use all the way up to level 60 on your level 20, and that's why you have all this access to all this gear you normally wouldn't have if I did give out the proficiencies at 20. Hey Verko. How do I know my account information to my own Magus realm? You don't understand how to log in. Did you set up a... if you set up a server from a source like me, you just need to create an account afterwards. Like after running the realm, you can create an account with account create and then the name, password. If that's what you mean. Then you can log in and play. What I'm this is the male spell for hunters and shamans. And what we want to do here is just set the required level. That's not cute. We set the required level down to 20. And it doesn't like what I'm doing here. What's the problem? What is problem? Or spell equals. I'm not sure what it complains about here. I need to do this for plate as well. Can I see what the area is? Please. No? Okay, it's just being weird. I'm not sure why. Mail or plate was spell 7109. I just found those of Kronos' database. So reduce mail and plate to 20. And I'm not sure about the cost of the spell, if it should remain the same or if I should reduce it. Hey Christopher, welcome back. Can you only change the database or a full C++ developer? I've written some C++ as well, but I don't have that much experience with it yet, so I will. That's why I will start out with database stuff that has to be done anyway, and then later we'll look into the C++. But thankfully, or luckily, most of the changes we want to make on the server is database based and not scripting based. I'm not sure why it complains though. No, I am not sure why. Pretty much the same as my other update scripts, right? Oh, it complains in here too. Sometimes I make double clicks things and scripts just break. Careful with the double clicks. Save. Let's save this one as well. This one's gonna be what do we have here? Update NPC, trainer, armor, spells. There's too many S's there. Save that. What is the problem here? Is this how Bill Gates got rich? No. I don't think he wrote or messed around with databases too much. He did, but he did use C, I think. C at first. Probably also some assembler machine code. But he did programming, that's right. Basically what you want to do, guys, is create an operating system and make some sweet deals with the computer manufacturers to only use your operating system and then spread it out to everyone. And base a company off that and make big bucks. Which server installation do you have for your server? This is a C-Mangus. C-Mangus. Are there any items between 10 and 4 that Hunter would even want? I'm not sure, but vanilla itemization is a bit weird, so there is items that would just have stats that don't fit a warrior, for instance. But I do know that shamans could use warrior stats just fine, like a strength, stamina, mail armor would work just fine for a shaman as well. But they shouldn't be able to use that mail yet, so I think that's why it has to be changed. You're better programmer than Bill Gates, you make way more money. There's not that many people in the world that make more money than Bill Gates. That sounds interesting though. It's Arbisky. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. I still don't know why it doesn't like my quarry. We can try and run it. See what happens. Worked fine. What's the problem? Okay. 20, 20. That's cool. That means we have downscaling of spells, armor efficiencies. Choose level requirement of mail and plate to level 20. Don't need that, yeah. Okay, we got that one too. Let's modify the items now. Write that script to do that. So let's look at the item template. I've done some investigating here because what we need to look at is allowed class here. This is what defines what classes can use the particular item you're looking at. And then we're also going to look at the item class, because we will only be looking at equipable gear that has like armor, equipable armor. So, but it's the item template we gotta modify. So let's write the script for that. Again, updating the item template here. You're not the streamer, you're a peasant. Oh, you found my donate link there, huh? Interesting. This should be interesting, guys. What kind of programming do you do, buddy? So every piece of mail. So yeah, there's gonna be some items that you wouldn't put on your hunter or shaman at all because the stats are terrible. But the easiest thing would just be to do the same thing for all pieces of mail that they shouldn't be able to use. And I figured out what class warrior and paladins are. That is 3. I did some investigating in the table here and using some databases, and I found the different numbers for each class combination. So there's a number that signifies that or defines which class can use a weapon. 1 and 2 is warriors and paladins, and 3, if you just add them together, it becomes warriors and paladins. So that's what we're gonna set it to. We're gonna set it to 3. Now, the big part is this last one here. We need to define which ones we need to set. And we are gonna look at item level. Item level. Basically what we want to do is say everything that is below 45. I think we need to look at item levels and not require it because there's quest rewards as well. I need to figure out where it is defined, where the armor, if you can call it armor rank, is in this thing. Because I'm not sure yet. Item set, no. Material. It's one of the first ones over here, I'm pretty sure. It's class or subclass. Let's look at some stuff. Let's bring up no, not that one. Let's bring up this one. No, that's not it. I had it. Where's the other one I had? Here it is. Let's see. Let's find the desecrated breastplate is right there. I think I even have that. No, not yet. Desecrated breastplate is. It's not an armor though. Let's just find. Gotta be a piece of mail armor somewhere here. Primal Hikari bindings. Bindings. Oh no, okay. I need to do a search first then. Let's go here, item, and find mail. Let's find a crappy one. It's doesn't matter. Let's just say we need. Let's open up another one here for the item select. I should still have the other one that I just created. No. Did I lose the one that I just wrote? No, it's over here. Good. Wow, I have too much stuff open. I've been looking into how you change the player starting location. I actually found that. It's quite nice. It should be very easy to change. Stats, scales, creature, cancel. Go back. Can I tap like this? Oh, I can. Nice. Can I move it as well? There we go. Yeah, Demon Wolf. We are. Welcome to the stream. Bit of a custom private server here because we're not going to use the level 60 cap that you normally have. Let's see. It would be easier if I just pick a set, because then I can just fight all those. Beastmaster's always going to be male. Yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. Did I delete this? I did, yeah. Just select anything from this template where name is like Beastmasters. That's the Beastmaster set. And subclass, let's see, Beast Masters. Girdle. So class is all 4 here. That, I think that is male. The class defines if it's male plate or stuff like that. Private servers are risky in a way. You have to make sure Battleland is closed or you may get bans. No. There's no connection between like Battlenet and private servers. There's no way for Blizzard to be aware of who are playing private servers and have a Battlenet account. Like the Battlenet client can't detect that you're on a private server or something. It can't. It doesn't scan your computer like that. If it did, that would be illegal. if it was scanning your computer for activity like that. It's against their terms of service though. I just haven't heard of anyone actually losing their Battlenet accounts because of it. That would surprise me. What's with this subclass here? So quality defines, the quality of course. So 2 is the green belt, 3 is epics, 3 is blues, 4 is epics. But subclass is a bit weird. Oh, that's because this is leather, perhaps. Yeah, this is leather. So class means, I think class 4 means gear, equipable gear. And subclass means the type. Yeah. What do we work? We're still working on this here. Let's make a new dot there. So let's note down our findings. We need to figure out what class is, what subclass is. And we think, I think by now subclass is, I think it's armor type. Leather, mail, etc. And class could be wearable or not, something like that. Let's try and figure that out. Find some more things. Let's find let's look for some other items. Yeah, that's right. You can't get bans, demon. That's right. I guess I just decided not to worry too much. Abysmal. So those should all be 2. Let's see if that's true. Abyssal leather. I misspelled that, didn't I? Yeah, double S, single L. Vassal leather, subclass 2. Seems like we're right here. 1 is it always does that. Cloth equals 1, question mark, leather is 2, mail 3, plate is 4 in the subclass. Let's try some plate and see if we're right. Plates, episode plates. Episode plate, subclass 4, yes. Still class 4 there. Still class 4. Let's try and find rings and trinkets and stuff, see if that's class 4 as well. So back here, class this looks like gear. No, not just gear, armor equals 4. You found the item template. Oh, that's useful. That is useful. Class, subclass, sweet. CMAG is under issues, okay. Ah, that's nice. Wait, there's no explanations here though, is there? Ah, here we go. Descriptions. This is what we're looking for. Nice, man. Thanks, Fisher. Awesome, man. You found a Zeus SWAT? Thank you, both of you, for the help. Oh, this is the documentations I was looking at earlier. Same descriptions down below, I guess. Oh, sweet. Cool, you guys. I don't have to worry about that anymore. So, we only need to look at class 4 for armor, subclass, what was it that we figured out? That was class ID. This one looks a bit more weird. The subclass explanation is a bit weird though, isn't it? Available subclass and class combinations, and the subclass name. Managed to log in, but it's stuck on login into game server. That's strange, Verka. People are currently on the server though, so it is running. I'm not sure why you're having a problem logging in now. Oh hey, Durham, welcome back. You were making a private server too, Swan? What bad ideas, and you were a stupid kid. Well, I appreciate the help. Confuses me a bit though, the subclass description, because that's not what we just looked at, is it? Oh, your own server, right. Are you're just running it locally, right? If, where did you get your, did you use the CMangus source code as well, Orca? Because then there is a guide to connecting locally in and the installation guide that I followed. Otherwise, make sure your realmd and magazine configuration files have the information they need. You also need to customize the realm list in the mangas with the name and address and port of the server. Thought you'll be admin of server, but you're only talking. I'm kind of king. Admins don't need to. Oh, you just thought you could be derping around as admin and not do anything, or I'm not sure. Easy mode. Oh, from C-Mangas? Okay. Did you check out the part at the very bottom of the installation guide about connecting locally? Because if you did change the standard ports and everything, then you should be able to use the standard settings to connect. If your MySQL database is running correctly. If you can't connect properly, then it seems like it could be a problem with your MySQL server, that it's not connecting properly to it. Sure. Didn't think it would be much work. Oh man, no. It seems like it's a lot of work. Let me find some mail and no, I think we've confirmed it here. The subclasses are a bit weird in these guides. Oh, this is how you're supposed to understand it. Okay, now I get it. So if it's a class, if it's class 4, then the subclasses mean this. Right. Right. So let's save these links for future reference. Let's put it there. Right, okay. That is what we're looking for then. So let's go back to the server. Full screen that one. Go back to item template. And class equals 4 and it's only male, right? Yeah, it's only male. Subclass equals 3 for male. Don't forget to check out your config files, because it says everything, or it can be real helpful if you can't connect. There is a char, no, not char log, but realmd log and server log. If you check those out, it should say in there everything that's going on. If the server gets started correctly, and every time you try to connect, it should say something there as well. So make sure there's no errors in those. There's also DB errors, but I haven't used that one yet. Hey Tarayan, welcome to the stream. And I think we got the script here. Item, set allowable class, Paladin Warrior for below item, below 45. Armor, that is male, okay. Yes. I think that's the script we need. That is what we are looking for. We need to run this before we modify the item level, of course. Make male armor with eye level below 45 only usable by warriors and paladins. Otherwise, hunters and shamans might use Maya. Shouldn't otherwise be able to use. Save that one. Update. Update item. No. What are we gonna call this? We're gonna call it update. Update mail. Update item. Update items. Mail. Warriors. Paladins. Take the script and put it in our custom vanilla scripts. Reduce level requirement of mail. That's cool. Put this up before we modify anything. What's this? Scale down item stats based on item level. Creature, creature, creature. Okay, so let's do it here. And we're gonna here make some item templates modifications. Item template, item template. NPC trainer modifications. Alright, hey, what's up, Brante? Welcome back. How you doing? Will the server have different realms, or do all players play in the one realm? It's gonna be everyone on one realm, Terrawan. I don't think I can draw enough players to have several realms running. Item template modifications. Let's make it like that, because it looks better. And creature, creature, creature. Creature template. Okay. Might be a long script in the end of this thing. That should be nice. Item stats. Set level class 3 for all male. What if there is already an allowable class on the item? Well, we need to change that. Of course, if let's go back to item templates here. What if there is already a specific class that is allowed to use this item? Then we won't touch it. So we need to filter that in as well. So for all things that is only -1, yes, everything that's -1 we need to change. I do like Cronus. Cronus is my favorite vanilla realm right now, Swan. I just don't like playing with a huge latency, so I'll probably just wait until the latency issue is fixed. Everyone can see everyone, not like WoW today. That's it. Yeah, everyone will be playing with everyone. That's right. Okay, let's put that in as well. We only want to change the allowable classes. If there isn't any already. Allowable class equals -1, then we're gonna change it. Allowable class, yes, save that. Oops. I don't know if I can run different SQL files in in one SQL file. Oh, right, yeah. One SQL file. Okay. SQL command? No? There's a SQL thing though here. What does that mean? Yeah, okay, we're not gonna worry too much about that. Wait, no. Cancel. Save, not close. Okay, we need to test that. So, arm efficiencies should be done now. Let's try and test that. Yes. Item scaling is also up and running. So we need to get out. Oh yeah, close that game. Server is down, right? Yeah, it is. So let's reset the database. Go to run folder. Get ready to run it. Change our realm list. Here. Nice. Put it back to local. Sure, go ahead. Updates. Make my day. I think it's done updating. Let's see. Done. Yes. Let's go back to Workbench and run custom DB. Give us some space there. And go. So applying our custom changes took 94 milliseconds. So we don't have to worry about any slow queries right now. Close. Time to run the server. Realm. Angus. Let's clear our WDB folder. Run WoW. Where did I learn the programming skills? Bit of it in my own time, just from the internet and from books and stuff, but I also studied computer science at university, and we were taught a lot of programming there. So for this warrior, I should be able to train plate now. And we need to add some mail armor and see if it's actually okay. Something is messed up here. So, where's all these arrows coming from? I think it is my add-ons, possibly. Let me try and log, because these add-ons are just... all these add-on errors are just driving me crazy right now. I'm only gonna enable a single thing. Go. But you can learn a lot. GM add-on. Oh yeah, right. I failed. I need a requirement. I need ACE. And maybe a map would be good. Meta map could be good to find my way around. Yeah, let's turn meta map and FWM for unexplored areas. Go. Okay, no errors. And I can actually see my items again, which is nice. I think I added a plate piece. Yeah, there's a plate piece. I can't use it. It's a paladin piece. Never mind. Let's see. If I teleport to Orgrimmar, give myself some badass speed. Go train plate. Hello, my friends. Plate mail. Level 40. Okay, so not fixed yet. Why is level 40? Damn, I was really hoping that it was just a database change. I guess not. Let's see, NPC trainer not open. Oh, what are we gonna find here? That's plate. Maybe we need to change more things then. Oh, required level is still 40. Okay. I failed somewhere. Hey, what's up, Andrew? Welcome back. What kind of server will this be? Ninja Caveman. It will be a custom vanilla server with a level 20 cap, and all content beyond level 20 will be scaled down to level 20. So you can do pretty much everything on your level 20. I think that's gonna be nice. And welcome in here. I'm not sure why it's not at 20. It should be. Something got messed up, I think, when running this thing. Set required level to 20. Your spell equals. That's not right. Let's go back to this one. No. That one. Man, what's it still complains about this for some reason. I'm not sure why. If I run this, 35 rows affected. Go back here, run this. Now it says 20. Okay. Seems like now it works. Not sure why it didn't work before. It is in here though. I got colons at the end here. Mangus.npc trainer. That's some weird stuff, guys. Level 20, that's cool. Twink community is pretty brutal though, to be honest. Yeah, so it kind of will be a twink server, but it will also be a lot different from regular twinking because all items will be available at level 20 in scaled down versions, so there won't be like regular twink items that are just what everyone's going for. You'll progress through all the gear available in the game to get better. And now we can try and do a restart. I'm not sure why this didn't work down here at the bottom. Updates. Set. Buy price. Sell price. Wow, I just combined one big mess. I'm not sure. But let's restart the server and see if the changes are working now. Let's see, go here, server exit. and reboot it. By the way, technically we could have 19 twinks on this server with regular level 19 gear. Yep, you could do that, Andrew, as well. I thought about if I should, I don't know, prevent it in some way, because I still want the main focus to be on being level 20, like level 20 PvP, level 20 dungeons. But I don't think I'll put anything out there to stop people from basically stop leveling at 19 and grab regular level 19 gear to twink at that point. It's still possible. Some gear will be different though, because I'm scaling down based on item levels, so some twink gear will be different. There it is! Requires level 20. I can't train it because why? Oh, that looks promising, Fisher. I'm not sure why this happens. Requires level 20, but I can't train. So there's some more requirements that I don't know about that we gotta fix. Plate mail requires plate. What? But it worked. At least the level requirement is changed now. Did you just find a way for me to update the database and not restart the server? I would be so grateful. Server restarter. Oh, it's like a program to start and stop? Neat. Oh, this is for like if the server crashes, it restarts the server. Nice. I always thought about how to be sure that the server is actually always running, because it of course needs to restart on crashes and stuff. Because I didn't delete WTP. We could try that. Definitely gonna. This should come in handy when I actually need to run a server and make it always online. Let's try. Quit the game. I was really sure it was gonna be enough just modifying the database like that. Create a custom NPC. No, I try to avoid all custom NPCs, Exusian, because it is possible to just modify the existing ones. Within the, like, I have some, I'm of course gonna make changes to the server, so it's gonna be a custom server, but I would still like to keep it close to the standard server beyond that. You can reload some parts. Yeah, there's a reload. For instance, reloads all databases, but it's not all databases, it's only some. So like the item table won't be reloaded. So it's not always useful. You have 3 spells named plate. Didn't you update only 2? I updated only 1 because there was only 1 spell in the table for this vendor. So if you go into this trainer, this is the only plate spell that exists. There's actually 3 plate spells, as you mentioned there. This is the only one that appears on the trainer because they're linked. So this spell procs the next spell. There's no requirement listed other than level in here. So it restarts the server after I close it. Oh, nice. You just have to restart the server. Okay, so it saves me from clicking mangas after exiting it. Cool. Do I need an account to download? I guess not. But thanks for sharing, Fisher. Appreciate it, man. That is nice. Let me see. These are the spells in question there. Can I? This window is annoying. Close it. For dungeons, maybe finding a way to make level 30, 10 dungeons, 10 man level. No, I think I would rather try and downscale the mobs and the spells inside dungeons instead of making it 10 man or 15 man. It's gonna be a lot of manual customization if I try to make them fit a different team size than regular team sizes. Spell level in core. Spell level. I'm not sure where it is right now, Swipe. I just found this table today for the trainers. Can I close this down? Probably just do that instead. My numlock keeps switching off for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it's quite annoying. But these other two here, they don't show up in the trainers. It's only the other ones. The requirement was correct. I might have to change it in the spells table. Spell DBC. I just couldn't figure out anywhere in here that had a level requirement. How will downscale spells? Database holds a valid actual patch folders that manage that spells work. I will modify the spell damage output in the spells DPC here. So in here there is the values that each spell, the damage for instance that each spell does is listed in this column here, column 76, I think it's this one. So I'll link or go through the spells that creatures have and the spells that items have and downscale them according to their item or creature level. So I will need to export this database and then put it back together again. But let me try and look up this spell in here, because apparently there's some secret requirement I haven't found yet. 7109. I think I already found it. No, I'm on 50 right now. There is a ton of spells in this game. That is plate armor. Plate mail. That's the spell it links to. 750. And most of these columns are just empty. 0, 0, 0, 0. And that is because it is a spell that makes you learn something. Then there's a number 6 there. We could try and put this over here and then go look at I've got too many windows open. Close. Talus editor. Spells. That didn't help at all. There we go. DBC vanilla. I think that's the one I'm looking at right here, SWAT. Yes, right. Does it explain? Yeah. So I've got this one from Mangus's documentation. Thanks for the link though there. This could be promising. Spell levels. Cataclysm. Well, oh, so the entire wiki could actually be really nice. Yeah, that's cool, guys. This entire wiki here could be really useful. Tables by versions. The database, DBC information. Oh, that's cool, man. DB2. Vanilla. So it's not totally complete, but there's some information here that's nice. Mega wasn't oh yeah, Mega uploads of course down. But I tried looking at this table before. I just couldn't find anything that seemed like a requirement. Does it list anything in here? Is there any secret requirement? Let's go through this one again. Compared to the editor. So let's see. What's 13? Shape, shift, exclude? No. 13 is targets. Casting time 1. This is number 6, what's that? 37 speed. That's odd. Modal, next spell. 36, that's the learn thing. 61. Spell effects. Oh, so in spells they start at... No, they start at 0 here too. Weird. Wait, green screen's actually messing up. But why? That's better. A lot of effects. Is it time? Let's see where there's actually anything in this. See, this one here is interesting because it lists the related spell. This is the effect it triggers. That shouldn't decide if I can learn it or not, though. And 15 visuals. Icon, name, and then nothingness for the rest. Nothing. Some numbers. Might be lucky that some other people just happen to mention this somewhere else. Change mount level. We're gonna do that as well. Mount requirements changeable. Oh, so someone mentioned the level requirements in NPC Trainer here as well. So if we can change mount levels, we can change plate levels. It's the same thing. Yes, let's see what people are writing in here. So yeah, mount, or you know, learning riding is a spell as well, just like plate mail. How's work? Work is a pretty good term. Thanks for asking. It's I think I'm doing good, getting better, and just getting stuff done. It's been pretty busy. There's a lot of things to do, so definitely not bored. And they've been really nice so far. Unfortunately, I started a bit too late to be a part of a sort of a team building trip. So the rest of the team has been on a trip to Spain here this week. They're coming home sometime today, and yeah. So unfortunately I wasn't a part of that because I started too late. So that was kind of a bummer. Would have been nice to go to a quick trip to Spain, right? There's a table named items, required levels, fields. It's not item. Yeah. Found the mounts in item template by running the following query. Once changes were complete, I then reset, and it worked. Wait, what? So it actually worked for him just to change the spell requirement in NPC Trainer. That's interesting. Did I mess something up? I think I messed something up, didn't I? Maybe I didn't probably restart everything. You got only 25 days of service left? Nice, man. How are you hanging in there? I guess you're really looking forward to those, you know, getting through those 25 days then. Hey, what's up, Dreambreaker? Game cache? Yeah, we already... Maybe I did something wrong. Let's try a fresh restart. Database is correct, right? Yeah. Let's do that. Restarts are good. It says required level 20, so it should work. Maybe I should restart the server database as well, because I haven't done that since because otherwise it would complain. It would complain if I couldn't connect to the database. So let's kill the game and try again, because this should be enough. Like other people's had it working with Magus. Can I go to my recycle bin without going to the desktop? I don't want to minimize everything. Isn't it called recycle bin? Interesting. That's okay. That's okay. It's gone. Okay, closing the server, and then I gotta find that. I gotta download that tool you sent me there, Fisher. You're currently in storm and killing everything. Fun times. Sounds good, Bloodbath. I'm glad you're having fun. It's not that bad since it's a lot warmer now. Oh yeah, I can imagine that helps a lot. If you're not out there freezing. Go back to this one here. Launch the realm. Launch Angus. Just got back from a 7-day long camp, going home Wednesday. I'm back on Sunday. Oh, nice! That's gonna be a nice extended weekend then. Sweet. How was the camp term? 6 days. What kind of temperatures do you have in Finland, by the way, right now? Okay, that was it. IP or realm list of the fun realm is right there. If you guys want to check it out. So basically, after this, we might as well modify the mount requirements as well. I still can't train it. It's so weird. Maybe we should try mounts and see if that works without any changes. If the others got mounts working, we should be able to. Currently, I'm thinking level 20 for epic mounts, because it would be nice to be able to have epic mounts as well, and maybe then make 60 mounts available at level 14. I think that's how you would scale things down to match, because normally you have... Why is Numlock switching off all the time? Yeah, or 13 if I should be as close as possible to the same ratio of levels as 40 and 60 are, then it would be level 13 for a 60 mount. It sucked. Raining, max 3 hours of sleep at nights, most days we only got 1 or 2 meals a day. Ouch. That sounds tough, man. Actually, I think I want to resave this and just call it update NPC trainer spells, because this needs to update more things than just that. Just those and the mount spells as well. Let's find those. That's my chat. Where did I put you? I can never figure out all my windows. It's this one. Now I'll just find it down here. Writing, spells, apprentice writing, journeyman writing, ram writing. Oh, it's a lot of different spells actually. Is the green screen messing up? It should be okay. But it's glitchy. I don't know what's so glitchy today. Honestly, normally it's good. Now my ears and eyes start to just disappear. It's messing with me today. Okay, I think that is better. That should be better. So many writing spells. No. So many writing spells. Oh gosh. What's the mount thing? Quest requirements. Slow mount writing. Maybe 13 would be the accurate number. It's the spell level requirements. Yes, it is. Let's start looking at the different spells that we need to find. NPC trainer. What about this one? Yes, that's standard writing. And there's some other spells as well. There's also 824. It doesn't exist. Okay. Close it down. And there's 6443. No. And there is, this is for epic mounts, I think. 33. 92. Quiet skill. 762. Yes, that is epic mounts. Kodo writing. I think it's just these two numbers actually that we need to change or modify. The others aren't in the NPC trainer table, as far as I can see. Just making sure. No. How about 26? Oh, wait. Some players get their spells, or some players get their mounts from the class trainer, of course. However, that should still be this table, I think. Yeah, it should still be this table. $861. Oh, this. Let's check this one. 88. No, that one doesn't exist either. Okay. 91. That's for epic mounts. So it could be that it's just these two spells, actually. 89, 92 at the ends. So maybe set 13 for the regular mounts. And set 20 for epic mounts. A little tester script here to find them, and then the darkness bind them. Let's go in here and see how it looks right now. No, I missed. Rip. Zoom. Zip. Oh wait, I can't even train from this guy. Gotta go to the Senjin village trainer. Senjin, I hope it works. Yes! Thank you, my friend. What's up? Apprentice writing, journeyman writing. So expensive though. Okay. It still complains about this script. Why? It looks so ugly. Save, paste. Ha! It's gone. That's so important. Let me know if it's too small to see, because I can make it bigger. By the way, I just keep forgetting that. It's of course more difficult to you guys to see what's actually on the screen. A bit too big there. Let's run this script and check. That didn't work. 30, 390, 260. What? Changed 8 rows. There we go. There we go. Save that. Put it in the custom vanilla DB here. There we go. Save that as well. And restart. Clear everything basically. Let's try the other link here. Rapid share. No. That one closed. Was closed. Where was the item template? Let's put that in server dev. Save a lot of things. Save this one here too. Kill the server. None of the links are working. Guess I need to find a different link. Maybe restart this server too, just in case. No, I'm not. There is some changes though. The numbers are different, so that's cool. So no, it is working. I don't have to restart this. Just clear this, and numbers look correct there. Get the server up again. Go. Go. Here comes, hopefully, a mount. Nope. Quiet level is correct. With the train button, I just can't train. That's weird because the other one said they could. Reset cache worked great, thank you everyone. So he found mounts in the item table, found the apprentice writing. That's the same spell I just modified. Exact same spell, and this is for Mangus too. Yeah, it is. Maybe you have to literally turn 13. Let's try something here. Let's level down 8 levels. I'm now level 12. It says I can't get it. Acclamation! Thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the stream. Now let's level up to 13. Bam, I'm level 13. Hype! Train me, please. Numbers listed correctly, but something's not right. I have reached level 20. Do I have golds? Yeah, I have almost 1,000 golds. Is it a reputation issue? No. You don't need a reputation to get a standard mount, right? Dark trolls are friendly, that's cool. Oh yeah, would have been nice if I didn't have any gold, huh? No, I have almost 1,000 golds. It doesn't matter what kind of reputation you have, does it, to get mounts? You just need, you know, to pick your faction here. Wait. Oh! Look at that, the raptors have scaled down themselves to level 20. I didn't modify the raptors at all. Oh, that's because... Oh, right. I modified all items to be usable at level 20, of course. Let's try level 40. Yeah, that's a good idea. Then it should work. Ah, man. There we go. Yeah, now I can train. Apprentice riding. It's somehow it's configured elsewhere, I guess. Hey there, Tulan. Welcome, buddy. Where can you get the client? Your client doesn't have a realm list. WTF. You can find vanilla clients from around the web. One way would be to check out. Wait, they put out the new Kronos website. Ooh, fancy pantsy. That is nice. But basically, if you go to any vanilla server out there, you can get the game. If you're on Windows, you can use, for instance, the Kronos WoW download page there to get it. It says 13, but the script is maybe on 40. Yeah, I'm not quite sure where. Wait. I can get journeyman riding at 40. I have gained riding skill. What? What? I can get epic mounts at 40 though. Let's try and level down to 20 and buy epic mounts. I can't. It looks like I can, but I can't. $30? 40? At 40. I can get epic mounts at 40. Oh, that's so weird. That doesn't explain anything. Or does it? Interesting. Yeah, Banani. I already tried deleting my cache, and the cache only modifies what you see, not the end result. So if I don't delete my cache, I probably still see the old level requirement, but like I wouldn't see 13 here, I would see 40. So this is weird. I can get both at 40. So we managed to modify some things, but not everything. But yeah, we already deleted cache before every test, guys. Strange. I don't know if I can unlearn writing. I can, but I'll need to find the spells probably and unlearn them. This is weird. Let's see what they've been writing. Over here. Basic flying mounts available at 20, but I still can't mount them in Azeroth. No, that's right, you can't fly in Azeroth. Angus. You've successfully run this with great success with items and skills. Running pre-TBC server. Update trainer set. Requirement level 10, where requirements buff level 10. All skills, items are attainable level 10. Yes. The mounts have changed. The writing skill is unchanged. Still requires 40. So this guy's having the same problems as we're having here. Spell DBC. Yeah, I already looked at it, but I couldn't see anything that looked like a requirement. ID 29? 29? You mean spell? This is plate mail. What do you mean 29? There's no 29. But yes, the writing spells are in here too. Writing skill for the player. Go to character DB. Character table, find the character's GUID, character skills, character spells, active. This grants player writing, grants them the journeyman writing. All skills. Skills, spells, and character DBs. You have to change the skill to max. Also give the player the spell. I don't have this character spell table that they're talking about. We don't have that. What's in vendors? Okay, it's just standard vendors and what items they have, I think. Yes. Hey, what's up, Gold Farmer? Welcome back. So these are the vendors. Spell ID, quiet skill, and level. And for some reason, I managed to change them both down to 40. This did it for some reason. I'm not sure why. Hey, Serial Bow. Yeah, Dwarf Toby is offline. I'm sorry, man, guys. I didn't feel like I could keep it up because I didn't have time to maintain it and fix the bugs that was on there. Ooh, what's that, Phoenix? What is that? You figured out to change level 40 mounts. So this is the mounts. the actual mounts that you buy. Or spell, wait, update, or spell category 1 equals 330. That's changing the actual mounts. Reload all the vendors now selling the original version of these. Also updated mangas. Min train mount. Wait, where is this defined? Min train mount level. Mangas? What? It's in the con file? Maybe if I someday get some more time to actually maintain and update Dwarftopia, I can try and make it online again. Mounts? Characters per account. Oh wait, these settings are in here as well? Oh, they are. No. Go for mounts. Mounts. Ah, all these changes are in here. You don't have to modify them in the source code. Unsummoned mounts. Mining. Don't see those settings in here. And I'm not sure I can just put them in here. Stats, save. This is mangas though. Hey that guy, Cephas. No, I don't think they will care too much about my small experimentation with WoW servers. I think the worst that can happen if you're just making some experimentation with this, it's not even, I don't even have this server public yet, but if you're not making any money, I think the worst thing they can do is force you to stop doing it, stop running it. I don't see where he defined this. So he fixed this or changed this, but he still can't train. This changes some TP fields, which must not be changed. I'm not sure we can use this. It seems like this is just what we did in the database, reducing the cost and the train level. We already, the numbers are lower, but I still can't train. NPC trainer. After that, you'll need to clear your cache files as they save item spell data. Restart the server. They all say that if you just modify NPC trainer, you should be good to go. Hey, it's Asker. Oh yeah, you played Agario with us. Will I play Agario again a day? Will I play Nostorius one day again? I'm not sure about Agario, Asker. I'll have to see about that. Currently, we are mainly focusing on World of Warcraft and server development for World of Warcraft. But we'll see. Nostorius one day again would be nice. Character spell. I don't. They all talk about this character spell thing. I guess that's with their database. They have this table. I don't. I think I'll take a short break, make a run for the bathroom, and come back and hopefully fix this issue, because I kind of want to allow people to have mounts at level 20, and I know it can be done. I've seen it. So we'll figure it out, guys. I'll be right back. Well. Okay, let's see if we can get to the fix of this. I had a break in December and January. Why? Yes, I wasn't... Actually, I wasn't doing particularly well in November, December, January, or mainly just November and December. I had to stop full-time streaming, and I knew I had to find a job of some sort to sustain myself, make enough money for the apartment and other stuff like that. My eyes. Too much white. Sorry if I made too much white there, not bad. But so yeah, I was kind of down for a long while there, but managed to turn it around again, start streaming again, get on the right tracks. You uploaded your realm starter, Fisher. Thanks. Let me see if I can actually copy it without the link breaking. Ooh, sweet. Appreciate it. Realm Starter, dot zip. Appreciate it, man. Okay, so we didn't quite find a solution in these forum posts because everyone was just doing the same thing we're doing. This spell, learn spell, is weird. I'm not sure what it's used for. Wait. Something's here. That looks like mounts. It is. Ah, interesting. What does it mean, guys? What does it mean? That is mounts. Level 40 mounts, that is epic mounts. Maybe mail and plate is in here too. What does it mean? I don't see mail and plate in there. Mounts are there and they're active on this entry. Ooh, I'm not sure what this is used for, but it's apparently something with mounts and other spells. What spell is that? Let me see. 1853. No. Why? Oh, that's because numlock keeps switching off for me. Never mind. What is this? Yours work? What? Level 19. What did I mess up? Cost of 1 copper. Wait, you modified the cost as well? Isn't that in the spells DPC? The cost? No, wait. Ah, no, it's in there. It's in there. So could you actually buy the mount, or? You don't have enough information on the IDs to know how to solve your problem. Do you need tests? Yes, but I haven't set up testing it properly yet, Bath. I'll probably have to postpone that to next week. So you could buy this mount? Interesting. I didn't even get the button. Right. So the only thing you modified was NPC trainer, right? You're running Mangus 0, okay. And I'm running C Mangus. Yeah, must be done to the troll vendor. But I think we did the same thing, Fisher and I. Requirements. Just modifying the requirements there. I don't know, there's... let me see... do I still have it open? I do. Well, I changed the spirits commands, Old Farmer, to be just level. So it keeps track of the level, or the stats for each one of you guys in the chat. How much experience you have accumulated so far. Can I even buy this? I don't have enough money? What? I only have 2 gold now. What happened to my gold? Oh, epic mount. I bought epic mounts, right. I think it's just modify gold. No. Money, it's money. What? No character selected. Damn. It's so weird because some of the things I did worked and other things just didn't. I can use epic mounts at 40, but not 20. Which is weird. So it worked but kinda didn't. I could modify stuff, but it's not behaving as I expected it to behave. That's a lot of gold, bro. Yeah. Good things about being a GM. This time I'm gonna try and restart the my SQL database too, but let's try and modify it to level 1 and level. Wait, I messed up something here, didn't I? What's that? Oh yeah, that's the armor thing. Set this one down to 5 and this to 10, and save it and run it. Go back here and check that it says 20. I have to run it twice. I'm not sure why. But I always have to run it twice. Now it won't even change it anymore. What? $60 mounts at 20, 100% at... No, it's actually 60 mounts at... 60% mounts at 13 and 100% mounts at 20. I'm not sure why this one doesn't run. There we go. I don't want to save that. I think I'll lose everything here if I close it down and run it again. Yeah, probably. Oh, so many windows. We've got too much stuff open, guys. Okay, let's go out here to an emptier recycling this time and restart this server too. The set requirements is what it says. It may not actually create the script so that routines learn it. I don't understand, Bloodbath. What do you mean? Hey, tablet. Server's going okay, but I'm struggling a bit with reducing the level requirements of mounts and certain spells. I'm not sure what is going on. Maybe this is messing things up because I'm opening these files while playing. Let's close it down. I also have no other source code. Shouldn't bother anything. No. Let's go back and run it. Did I hear that right? Level 30 equals 13. No, level 13 have 60% mounts and level 20 have 100% mounts. Because the level cap of the server is gonna be 20. It is a bit of a custom server that we are working on here. Now, of course, I already have writing now, so I gotta unlearn that writing. Now it says 5 and 10, that's cool. Unlearn. Let's try it. Unlearn. Let's unmount this thing. I don't know if it breaks if I'm still mounted on it. I'm not sure. Maybe it does. Unlearn. Oh, there goes my writing skill. So I can learn writing at 40. Let's reduce it by 35. Yes, yeah, I've already deleted the WTB folder. But that's the curious part. I haven't made it work yet, and it's kind of confusing me because the database looks correct. I cleared the cache and everything, and the level requirement is listed as correct, but I still have to be 40 to get the first one, and then I can buy epic writing right afterwards at level 42. The button is still scripted to 40. Yeah, but I don't know where that would be. Where that would be defined. Bloodbath. Only 20? Why? To make it faster to get to endgame. And make for a more simple, I hope, endgame experience. I'm not sure if you're still here, Fisher, but did you manage to buy the training spell? Mount training? At the reduced level you set it to? Let me see if I still have to be level 40. Wait, level 10. It's green. Now it's... So level 10 it becomes green, but I can still I can't train. Oh, now it's gone. Now it's gray again. There's definitely something I didn't modify correctly. Now I'm 15. That's 20. Still nothing. I think we have to go all the way to 40, and then we can probably get epic mounts at 40 as well, just as before. It's just weird. That epic mounts gets modified down, but the other one doesn't. So 40 I can get riding as well, as before, and I can get epic mounts at 40 as well again. You reset to rechange your steps, change the conf to level 19, then change the required level of the spell to 19, and it works. Oh, so just to be clear, you did this, right? You put this in Magus D conf mount cost train mount min train mount, right? No, it's nothing about it doesn't have anything to do with the actual button pressing. It's somewhere else. It's the spell. There's a spell setting or the mount setting. I wasn't sure I could put this in CMangus because it wasn't there by default. But I'm thinking this is what you were talking about, Fisher. The mount options here. And then you can put epic mount in front, I think, to configure it. Let's try it. Let's just try it. Go to the run here. Try it! Yes, let's do it, Phoenix. Let's do it. Hey, what's up, Joanne? Welcome back. Thank you for the follow, Guy Graham. Welcome in here. Oh. Okay. Performance settings. Wait. They're all here, I think. Max player level is right there too. Ah. Okay, so I was just confused that they weren't here by default, but you can actually put them here. Nice. And then we can do like this, I think, and then put epic in the front of it, and it should work. So you have to both modify this and the other one. Yeah, we're slowly getting somewhere, Johan. We are. Yeah, hey, Brother Rosa, welcome back. Going pretty well, man. How about you? How about you? I think right now, with the help of you guys and of Fish's finding there, we can actually get the mount spell to train at the levels we want. Then comes the problem of plate and mail, because we can't fix those by modifying this configuration file. Let's just have this. Yeah, we need reduced spell costs as well. Let's just reduce it. I kind of wanted a minimum of. Wait, it scrolled. Damn it. Where did I scroll to? Here we go. I don't know why my numlock is just broken. Not sure what is switching it off, but something is. So used to using it. Train pick, not epic train. Oh, wait, what? Train epic. Oh, okay, okay. Right. Yeah, of course that makes more sense. Thanks, Trias. Oh, this one's right, Epic amount costs. Min train, epic. mount level 20. The costs are gonna be, I was thinking that training should be, regular is 90, I was thinking maybe 3 gold at 13. So that's 3. And then there's double zeros, no, 9, yeah. So that's copper, then it's silver, then it's gold. Mounts costs are just gonna be a tenth of that, and then at 20 we want 10 times that. Yes, let's just go with 10 times that for now. Three golds. There we go. Hey?
Peter,
Ja?
hvad siger du til, at vi leger en bil den 4. juni?
Til at køre hjem? Det kunne da godt være.
Jeg har fundet en bil, og ligger tæt på os.
Okay. Kan vi lige kigge på det bagefter?
Er du stadig i gang?
Ja. Is the gold drop more than normal because of the insane cost of riding? No, I'll reduce the cost of riding and probably keep the standard gold rates. Hey champion, welcome back. Save that and try and boot it up and modify these back to the original ones that I wanted. Trainer spells 13 and 20. I still have no idea how we're gonna fix the other spells, but at least we can get mounts working. Yes. Reboot. Run this. Check if it worked. Partially worked, I'm not sure why. Oh, it's probably because when I type Control Enter it executes maybe just the current one I'm at. Yeah, current statement. That's because I do Control Shift Enter to execute all of them. There we go. Typing in the wrong commands. Danish sounds so cute. Glad to think so. It's the sheet. That's right. If I got this right, max level is 20. Yeah, that's right, Johan. That's right. No, we don't want to save that. We want to restart everything now. Yep. Make us up again. Gotta tune our level down to 13 and try by spell. Looks right. Let's unlearn writing. Ah. There we go. Level down by 27 levels to level 13. What? Did I mess up my configuration file? It's still using the mount cost from the database, not from the configuration file. They're only listed right there. Is it because we're using different servers? So there's commented out train mount thingies. Train mount level. Okay. Thanks, Fisher. I don't think it's a working configuration in CManga's train mount thing, because there's all these options commented out that you can use, and mount training wasn't one of them for CMangas. So I don't think the option exists. Indoor check. No, they're not in here. Which is weird. Maybe there's something about the source code that needs to be changed. Seems like a bit much just for mounts though. And I would not know where to start changing this thing. Change the game. Items. Spell manager. No, I don't know. Dismount. Creature add-on. Deleting system 32. Of course. Blizzard told you to delete the system 32. Of course. That is the best tip ever. Good luck trying to fool people into doing that. CMangas. Mounts. Level. Requirement. There's got to be someone out there that has already tried changing the mount level requirements for CMangas. Creature template. No, we don't need that. Thanks for the follow, Flesno, and welcome to the stream. We are struggling right now. To change the level requirements of mounts. Let's get more results from AC Web. I already checked the first one there. I'm pretty sure that it's possible somehow with Sea Mangus to make any spell you want available at any given level, but I'm not sure if you can't do it by this way. You're not sure what's going on? What is going on? Yeah, you have your mount right there on a 19 Warlock. So far, the only explanation I can think of is differences in Sea Mangus and Mangus Zero, where apparently in Mangus Zero there's options for adjusting mount levels directly in the configuration file. Otherwise, I can't see what should cause it. Jaren's streamer did it? His computer died? Oh god, no, I hope not. Off and on again? Yeah, we tried that. We can try and do it one more time. Welcome to Boarcrafts. Save it. It's just weird because Sea Mangus is based on Mangus Zero. What's up, Flying Potato? Welcome back. How have you been doing? We are struggling a bit today with our own private server for WoW. Let's close it down. Kill it. Kill it with fire. Also the gold, the mount cost didn't change just because I modified the Mangus configuration file. That's a nice potato. That's a well-timed quote right there. Let's shut down everything this time. WDB gone. Database is looking good. Are we just gonna boot it up again? Yeah, let's just boot it up again. Realm and Mangus. I collided with a butterfly, but then you took an arrow to the knee. Yeah. That meme. Maybe I should try creating a brand new account, leveling that one up, and see if that does any change at all. Maybe it's because I'm a GM? No, that would be weird. I still can't train. It doesn't seem to have any effect to change the configuration file with the mount settings. There is a Warcraft. The message got changed. Is changed, but not the mount levels. Where could this be hiding? DVC. DBZ configs. Let's browse a bit in here. Let's browse a bit. That one will never get old. No, I think it's gonna stay around for a while. How far in development have I come? Not very far. Still pretty early on. But I thought we were gonna make great progress today, but I guess it wasn't as simple as I thought, changing the level requirements. You just download CMangus? Okay, cool. I actually have I have some different servers lying around. I could try and change that, but it's not based on CMangus though. So basically we have a lot of things to do. Some of them should be fast though. Some of them are fast. But everything needs to be scaled down to 20. Most things. Currently working on getting armor professions available at 20 and mounts available at 13 and 20. It's giving me some problems changing the mounts. Game objects. I don't see anything about mounts here. Anything related to mounts. There is the spells, of course. Skill cost, skill line, skill tiers. It kind of sucks that it scrolls up every time. Skill line. Min skill line. Acquire method. Non-skill ups. I'm not sure what's in this though. I think this is weapon skills perhaps. Some vanilla WoW OST? Yeah, we could do that. The in-game music will be muted every time I switch out, but we could find some on YouTube. I don't think I'll bother right now because we don't have that much time for the end anyway. Maybe it's something with this skill line thing. Skill line ability. Skill line category. Skill line. Cost. Let's try and open skill line with oh, where did I put that? In here. Talus. And then open skill. Skill line DVC. What's in here? Ah. Okay. This could be something. Horse riding, wolf riding, ram riding. And then there's some numbers. ID category. Display name. Description. Wait, there's way more columns in mine. Category references skill line category 9. 9 is, yeah, I don't know, racials, writing. Skill line. Let's try skill line ability, perhaps. What are we looking for? Something. Let's sort this, please. Something with mounts. Numbers don't go that high. Is there any descriptions? Just numbers. Skill ups, references a spell. This one references a spell. Oh yeah, that's mounts. That's regular mount, epic mounts, right there. Skill line and spell. Skill line references skill line 762. Seven is exclude class? No. 7 is min skill line rank superseded by. Let's try and find 762 in skill line. 762 writing. 255. What does that mean? Number 3, skill cost. 0. Explain and description. And there's the 255 at the end, which I don't know. I don't know what that is. Skills that no, this one. Learn spell writing. Hey Captain, you missed a big chunk of the stream. Oh no, you just caught the end of the stream, man. And I don't think I'll be able to figure this out for now, guys. I'll have to look a bit more into it. But yeah, right. I don't really have a clue to where we can modify the mount skill. Yeah. Hey. Hmm? Hello. I think we just got attacked, guys, by terrorists. Stream invasion. Yeah, as I said, guys, I don't know how to fix this this mount problem, and I also gotta go grab some dinner now. Super hungry, and as you probably guessed, the girlfriend is waiting as well. Big trouble. Not too big, but yeah, definitely some work on this. Let's write a note on that, I think. So try changing the level, the required level in NPC trainer, hands in majesty conf, but that couldn't bring the actual level requirements lower than 40. The listed numbers were as intended though. Yeah, we gotta avoid not getting stream sniped like that. But we'll see, guys, how we end up fixing this problem with the mounts. It should definitely be possible somehow to get them, or to allow us to make them available whenever we want them. 13 and 20 is what I'm thinking right now. But that has been all for today, guys. I gotta get some food now, and I'll think about this some more, see if I can find a solution, and then I'll be back next week sometime. Maybe it's probably Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm not sure when it's gonna be exactly, but I'll try to keep you guys posted. And other than that, thank you for watching, you guys, and for helping me out with the links and the tests and the tips, you guys. That's really appreciated. And I hope you catch you in the next one, where we will maybe check Cronus if they fix the latency, or continue to work on the server, because some of these things shouldn't take that long if we can just modify the database. Some of these spells, I guess, is giving us problems because I'm not sure where to modify things. Tuesday, please. We'll see if I can make it happen, Ken. Maybe you won't miss that one. Cool, man. Hope to see you soon. And yeah, thanks for being here, guys, and take care. Appreciate the follow here, then. MK Monic. That's awesome of you, man. And catch you later, guys.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I